video, for today's video, we're going to be making a bottle opener out of a railroad spike. I'm already hot and sweaty because I've been forging all day. The forge is already lit, so we're going to throw it in the forge and we're making a bottle opener. Okay guys, our first step, what we're going to be doing is putting our railroad spike into the vise and using this crescent wrench to twist it around, just add some cool little spirals in it. So let's get our metal now. Clamp down on it. While doing this, we'll do as much as we can. Wow, it's hot. Alright, we're going to throw it back in. We're going to do another one. Okay guys, we're doing it again. Just locking up the device. Try to get one more half turn. That'll give us a full turn. We're getting close. Alright, there. That's good. Okay. Now our next step is going to be working on the bottle opener end. Okay, so for our first heat, we're basically just be lengthening this part out and skinning it. We need to get it about half the skinniness and at least an inch longer. And we're making sure to not touch those spirals. We want them to keep them nice and pretty. Keep that point nice and crisp too. It's kind of hard to hold on to this thing. Come on. We're going to go back in for another heat. bend it over for the actual bottle opener part. Now we're going to stamp it. Back in the forge. Now we're just bending this end down and over. And we're actually going to put a little piece of metal in between there. We can find it real fast. Everything's nice and straight. And then we're going to go and put some oil on it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot. Please leave a comment, tell us what you think of this bottle opener. I think it's really cool, and I'll probably start selling some of these on my website. They work great, open the bottles amazingly, and they're pretty solid too. Also make sure you go check out our merch. There's a link right down below, go click on it, go get some merch and clothing. It's a great way to support us. And please subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you guys next time.